guys, it's Julia here, back again with another vlog, except this one is a 24-hour glow up challenge for Coachella. And this is our befores. I really gotta get ready pretty quick. Just gonna put like a quick face of makeup on because I have a doctor's appointment right now to do something to my face. I picked up Roland. We're heading to the doctor. Basically today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be getting chin filler because I have a really small chin, and like I have chin filler in right now, but I'm getting a little bit more. You have to like update it. I don't know, that's not the right word.
This is like when Jake Paul got the ball camera in his arm.
It's not the right word isn't update, but like basically it lasts for maybe a year. So every year for the past like 2 years I go and I get it redone, I guess, just because it dissolves. I'm not good at explaining doctor stuff. I've always been like really insecure about how small my chin is and how I have so many double chins, and I feel like, you know, if I can fix something, why not do it? You know, it's my body, I can do what I want with it. It's not like I'm hurting anyone. I'm very much justifying this because I feel like everyone justifies their like plastic surgery type stuff, and I don't need to, but sometimes you just feel like you have to, you know what I mean, really?
Yeah. So are you excited, or are you just
I'm excited. I'm like nervous to vlog it. I'm nervous for like people's reactions, but like I'm excited to get it. I don't know, it's like a good pain. It's like it hurts so good.
Jesus Christ. Alright.
But yesterday I got my nails done, and here's the before. Yeah, they were all messed up, and here's the after. They're really cute. Obviously like the 2 middle nails broke, so I had acrylic pieces, whatever, put on so that they could be long and I didn't have to go fully short with my nails because my other nails are natural and they're gel, and my arm hurts from holding this camera. Oh my gosh. I should get my camera fixed today because we're on that street. This camera's low-key broken, but it still works. It's just like the flip screen broke. And then after the doctor's, we're going to get some spray tan stuff. Well, you're not, but I am.
I'm gonna get spray tan.
Yeah, you really need a spray tan. I'm gonna get Saint Tropez because I used to use that, and honestly, like I don't spray tan, but I really don't want to look pale at Palm Springs. I don't know if we're necessarily going to Coachella. Like we're definitely gonna be in Palm Springs, but we'll see if we're going Sunday. It's iffy because I didn't buy a ticket, so I might take Saray's extra ticket on Sunday because Cooper, her boyfriend, who she's bringing Friday, Saturday, is leaving Sunday. So we'll see about that. The view in here is so nice. This place is so aesthetically pleasing. Get in because it's West Side aesthetics. We're in the room and we're waiting for the doctor.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, bring it to a different room. Okay.
The anticipation.
I know, right?
So we've done this before.
Yeah.
It's totally easy.
Yes.
No big deal. Okay, awesome. And the results have been good, right?
Yes.
And it's just we're just doing a little bit more.
Yeah, I feel like it makes my face more like evened out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's proportions. I mean, it's
Yeah.
really the proportions are really important. We're just kind of figuring out what the optimal proportions are and how to make optimal proportions. And the chin is definitely a big deal with that.
It's funny because I feel like no one notices, but it makes so much difference.
Yeah. It's because all of the stuff that we're doing, that's the nice thing about the stuff that we do, is that it's also subtle. Yeah, you deep breaths. Just even that was nice. So now I'm just blending everything in. Just a subtle change, but I think that's really nice. It just brings it out into better proportion.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Right?
Yeah.
It's nice and smooth.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we want to see. And that balances your nose, it balances everything out so that nothing looks bigger than it should, nothing looks smaller than it should, and everything's symmetric. Because we brought this down, this third are about the same, and that's how you want your face to be, is where the thirds are equal.
Real good.
Yeah.
I would not do any like alcohol for a day at least. Aspirin, ibuprofen, any of the blood thinners.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Of course. It looks really good. I just want to look at it. Go. Roland's really hungry. I'm actually really hungry too.
So we're gonna get some food.
It's funny because I've done this so many times and no one's noticed, no one's like said anything, but like I feel like it makes a big difference in my face. I don't know. Okay, so here's the final result. It's swollen right now, so I guess it's not the final result. We'll see the final result in 2 weeks when the swelling goes down, but I already really like it. I feel like it makes so much difference. It makes my face more balanced, and I feel like it also makes my nose look smaller, which is really nice. Not that I have a big nose, but I don't always love my nose. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Mostly don't.
I think the only reason why I know is because I went.
It's because you were there, yeah. But like most of the time, no one notices. No, I've never had somebody say, "Oh, did you do something to your chin?" I've never ever had that happen. No one notices anything. But I wanted to do this because there's just like subtle things you can do that like make you feel more confident about yourself. That it doesn't really matter if anyone else notices or not. And like you don't need to go and fill your chin, but there's just things you can do. Like honestly, like plucking my eyebrows made me really happy about my eyebrows because they used to be crazy. There's just like little things that I feel like self-care, you know, little self-care things that I like to do that make me feel better about me, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that, to be honest with you. Back at the casa, we have my meal prep food. Did not make myself, that I ordered because I don't like cooking and I'm not good at it, but it's Indian food, so that shit is healthy. Roland, do you want to come with me to get my camera fixed? I'll take that as a yes. We're at the mall, we're going into Ulta. Gotta get that tanning stuff. And I wanna get face wax too, because I haven't waxed my upper lip. Oh my God, Roland, look, they have Adeline stuff. Oh my God. Yes, queen. That is so crazy. I have that palette. And it's like basically all sold out. There's one left. That's crazy.
Oh damn! Yeah,
Go Adeline. I just got really distracted because this is literally a glitter like toy of a palette. Like it's an eyeshadow palette, but like see that glitter? And then stop. This though. This is a squishy donut palette. Like I have to buy it. I have to get this. I really want the pink one though, but they're out of it. Maybe I'll wait. We're going to wax my mustache and we're going to tan to St. Tropez. Got the mitt, got everything. Let's go. Oh wait, let's grab a hairspray.
Did you bring yours to return?
Yes. Okay, so we just left Forever 21. I got a lot of stuff. We'll do a haul when I get home. Rolly got his cookies. Show your cookies. No cookies. If you're wondering why I'm vlogging on my iPhone right now, it's because my camera's getting fixed, but I'm gonna drop Roland off and then we're gonna go pick it up, so will be good quality again. Just picked up the camera, and the craziest thing, the guy fixed it for free. All he had to do was put in a screw and like, I guess he put some glue on it so it wouldn't like come apart again, but like, so nice. Now we have a working vlog camera for Palm Springs. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go home now. We gotta wax the stash and shave everything. I'm back home finally. That took me for freaking ever. I swear to God, if I was in Philly right now, I would have been done all of my errands by like 2 p.m. But here, driving literally takes forever. So let's do our Ulta haul, and then we can do our Forever 21 haul after I wax my stash and shower. But I got this Set It Free Diva Curl finishing spray because my curly hair, well right now it's like a freaking mess. I don't even want to talk about that. But recently it's just been super frizzy, so I feel like I needed something to kind of like spray on it to fix the frizz. And then I exchanged my Paul Mitchell hairspray for a new one because the spray thingy stopped spraying. Let's just put them in here. And that was really frustrating, but thank you Ulta for letting me exchange it after I like obviously tried using it. Now we have our St. Tropez spray tan. Is it, what do they call this? I feel like it's not spray tan. Spray tan, so you go to the spray place and they spray you, but it's a self tanner. That's what it is. And then we have our mitt for the self tanner. I got a mini toothpaste. This is, oh frick, I got the wrong one. This has fluoride in it. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna return that. And then I got No Mo Stash for our stash waxing, which we are going to do right meow. First, start by wiping on the makeup. Oh, let me take my jewelry off because I'm gonna hop in the shower after. Oh, and chin update. We have a little bit of bruising, but it's not too bad. Nothing that some concealer can't just cover up. I'm definitely going to be wearing makeup, obviously, this weekend, so I'm not concerned. What I am concerned about is this ring being stuck on my finger. What the heck? I got it. If you ain't running me, say my name, say my name. Got my scissors, got my wax strip. We're going to cut her in 2/3. Doesn't say to do that in the instructions, but that's what I've been doing for years now, and haven't had a problem. Silly me, I didn't take off my makeup yet. We're gonna use the Yes to Coconut Hydrate and Restore Micellar Water. I love this stuff. Time to warm these up to wax. I used to just put them on straighteners because I didn't have enough patience to wait for them to warm up, but if you just like rub it in your hand, it kind of just does the trick. Now for a little montage of me waxing my face. I'm gonna put a little bit of my Kiehl's Midnight Repair Oil on the place where I waxed instead of their cream. I usually do this. Now my upper lip is red AF. Okay, I'm gonna hop in the shower and shave my legs. Shower time! Okay guys, so it's been a bit since I showered. I'm all dried off. And now it's time to apply the Saint Tropez. And I would film this for you, but we don't want to get flagged. So I'm just going to show you our before, which is right meow. And then you can see what happens after. I'll show you that.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I tanned everything but my face. Hopefully this turns out even. The bruises are really showing up now, but it's okay. I hope it gets a little bit darker because I feel like you can't really tell on camera.
Tomorrow.
Good morning guys, it's the next day. This is the tan. I feel like it worked. I just rinsed it off. Or like the, you know, the leftover bits. I feel like I'm a little less pale. Now it's time to put on a face of makeup so we can shoot some photos, and we're gonna straighten my hair. For the makeup, I think I wanna go with like false freckles, some false eyelashes. You know, go a little extra. I'm gonna cover up my bruises, but the chin looks so good. I feel like the swelling isn't even bad. Time for us to try on our Coachella outfits. I already put on a pair of pants that I got from Dolls Kill that are an option. This is a bathing suit top from Revolve. We're not gonna wear that, but these are medium. They're a little big, but let's put the matching top on. Here is the package that I ordered, full of all of the stuff. Some sets. I like matchy. And then we have all these face jewels. I got these at the sale, but these ones I ordered online. This is so cute. Nipple covers. Love this. Love that too. I'm thinking this with these maybe. Let's try it on. Okay, so here's our first outfit. We have this Dolls Kill top. I feel like it's too big because like this little thing right there is hanging down. Obviously it would need nipple covers. And then we have these pants that I feel like are a little bit big too, but it's low-key pretty cute. Like it could be cute for a photo, but I don't think I could wear it to actual Coachella. Here's outfit number 2. The top is an extra small. Surprisingly, it fits really well though. Like what the heck? And the bottoms are a medium, but they surprisingly fit just freaking fine. Maybe my booty grew and now it's a medium, but obviously like a little big, but like it's all good, you know? They're just kind of long. Should we try them on with the shoes that I got from Forever 21? Yes. Oh, this is my backpack because I feel like at festivals you're supposed to have a clear bag, you know? We're so backlit right meow. These are our shoes. I wanted to get a pair of shoes from like a cheap store, like Forever 21. I mean, hopefully these weren't that expensive. I didn't even look at the price. There's $34, whatever. That's not that bad for shoes because I didn't want my nice shoes to get ruined in the desert, but these are good. I feel like I'd have to cut the pants though because they're kind of long. Here's better lighting though. Now for the last fit. I feel like this is my favorite, so hopefully this is the one. Hopefully. I think this one's it. The bottoms are a little awkward, a little tight, because like there's an underwear in here that just kind of like is smaller than the actual pants. But I think we'll be okay. I just pulled it from my butt. And then the top fits perfectly. The top's a medium and the pants were a small. I'm glad I got the top in a medium though, because the small would not have fit. And they go with the shoes. I probably won't even need to cut them because shoes are so tall. Okay, so I'm glad we figured out that this is gonna be the fit. So we have everything together basically. You just have to pack it. We got our handy dandy clear backpack, so there'll be no trouble. They just have to look and they'll know I'm clean, I'm safe. Also, and we do a little teeny weeny haul before we end this vlog, and the next vlog will be our Coachella / Palm Springs festivities. I got a pair of white flip-flops. Well, it was a 2 for $6 deal. So I got a pink pair. Last but certainly not least, I got these pink slides because they're cute. And they were 14 buckaroonies. I feel like Forever 21's prices low-key went up. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification, give this video a big thumbs up, comment any vlogs you want to see below, and don't forget to watch my next vlog for Palm Springs Coachella Revolve festivities. Okay, I love you. Bye.